So I'm back with another one, some more construction. And I know a lot of these look the same. Well, I made 3 of them. And again, how will I convince you I am making these? So that's the whole gist of this right here is eventually I won't have so many of the of these. Right now I know I have like 30, 40. I can't even remember how many I have on my YouTube. On my Instagram, I have 6 or 7. On my YouTube, my LinkedIn, I have maybe 3 or 4. On my Instagram, I have maybe 10. But on this YouTube here, there must be at least 30 of them. And again, a lot of them look the same. Because I made 3 and I want you guys to understand I am making these. Again, when I get better at it, 10, 15, if that many, because I'll hone my process and I won't be making as many goof ups as I did. Because I had goof ups. And some of them you can see. My process gets honed, my skill gets honed, so there won't be 30, 40, 45 videos of me doing what appears to be repetitive work. And this is just 3. So if I can do 25, 100 and do it in 10, 15 videos. And that's a goal for me. But I want you guys to know that I'm making these. I'm not sending out for anything. And it isn't that, well, I can't now, but that was a time when I could. But I did not want to send out. As I've said that over and over and over again. I don't want to send out. I want to make them myself. This is my journey. Why do I have to be like another company and send out and then bring in a bunch of product? And it isn't that I'm some bleeding heart liberal. Okay, I am a pissy, prissy, proud progressive. But what I am not is I'm not trying to be some virtue signaler. Virtue signaling. And I'm getting tongue-tied. I'm not trying to virtue signal because I'm making these clothes. I'm making them all myself. I'm making them all myself to show you that I'm making them all myself. And I am looking for people who are trying not to go over buy a bunch of wear it once and throw it away type of apparel. I have said that I'm going to start tackling the politics of apparel making and the pollution that it causes, and I need to put together some material. So when I am sitting up here rambling, I can refer to this or that article or this or that video. Maybe even put a link in and let you guys see for yourself. I am doing this, yes, as a way to not contribute to the global apparel pollution that's going on, but I'm also doing this because it's freaking fun. I was watching this young woman today on YouTube, or was it maybe Instagram or TikTok? I think it was Instagram, and she was going off about there's a black Briton, and she was going off about white people who were complaining about they're taking their jobs like Trump says over here, the illegal immigrants are taking their jobs, which are not. But she made a point. A lot of people aren't going to do this type of work because it's too hard. It's too backbreaking. But I got skill. You feel me? So again, if I can make 100 by myself, see, I don't have to pay, or I don't have to get paid by some manufacturer who says my work is only worth XYZ. I'm telling you what this thing is, what this garment is worth. And you have to say yes or no. But one thing I'm not going to do is, and again, this is not virtue signaling, even though some may twist my words to make it sound like it is. But if I'm not making 20,000 of these things, how can I be a major contributor to apparel pollution? I'm making, like I said, I want to be able to make up to 500. I think that I would love to be able to do a 300 piece run, because that's what most contractors limit is, 300 pieces. If you have less than 300 pieces, then you have to negotiate, because they have bills to pay, they have employees to pay, they have insurance, and they have all the, and that's overseas as well, not just here in the US. So if I can make 100 pieces, 200 pieces, and not contribute to a bunch of apparel waste, that's my contribution. You know, they're gonna cost more, but again, as I said in the last video, S1320001, I lost my damn train of thought. Anyways, I want to be able to make these myself and sell them to you guys. Oh, I was talking about the majors. There was an Abercrombie, and I'm wondering why I'm getting tongue-tied. Abercrombie and Fitch bodycon dress I saw online, and they were like anywhere from $100 to $125, and I've seen a number of retailers out there with prices in those ranges. Literally, that's what I'm saying here. I've seen some as low as $65, and of course you have the Sheins and the Zaras out there, and these people are, these corporations are making tens of thousands of the same type of dress. If I make 300, does that put me in the same boat? You know, and I pay my bills? So that's where I'm coming from. I don't want to make 10,000 of these and 10,000 of these and 10,000 of these. And there's a new thing out, a new concept out. Well, I'll get to that in another video. Anyways, I like making these oh my goodness. Oh, here it comes. I like doing this work. It lets me be my own boss. So if you guys appreciate this, you know, you can like, comment, subscribe, share, buy a dress. Let me know in the comments what you think. Call me out. Be nice. I'm not going to put up with any BS. You know, I'm not going to sit up here and argue with someone about some BS stuff. But you guys let me know. Do you like this content? And again, once I get better, you know, I am not going to be able to do 30, 40, 50 videos, because my process will be refined. So there will be considerably less videos I will be posting up. So anyway, I really want to thank you guys for watching. I would appreciate a like, comments in the DMs or in the comment section. I don't know why I'm just sitting there. I post every day. Again, I have tons of these videos that I haven't even put up yet. So, yeah. I'm gonna configure this video situation to where you can see me interact with me while I'm do a live is what I want to say. Do a live while I'll be down in the corner doing a live, and you guys can see me talk and explain. Look at that. See, look at that. Look at that right there. I gotta fix it, huh? I gotta fix that. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. I fixed it too. You will see. I will post it.